working on a 2003 Lexus Gs300 with a parastatic draw of 5 amps. With the car off, and then we started moving some wires, put to 10 amps. Almost blew the fuse in the multimeter, and we started out by pulling all the fuses, which didn't really do too much. So we came inside the car, trying to point the whole dashboard. All this mangled wiring we found from an aftermarket alarm someone tried to install. So we unplugged everything, still getting a 5 amp draw. So we went a little further, checked the door panel, because it had some more wiring leading into the door panel. Started out with this kind of bare wiring, rubbing right on the metal. Same thing there, no effect. As we worked our way in, found some more of these harnesses that they've been tampered with and tapped into. So we started checking it. And lo and behold, we find these 2 wires, just like that, melted together right at the pinch point right there with that little black spot. It's all burned up, leading to some type of module that we found here in the door. And if we take a look here on the back side of this module, like that right there, and that's where our short circuit was taking place. Whatever it was doing, it was drawing 5 amps. We unplugged this thing and the amperage draw was gone. Homie Julio's car, so we just got to get all this thing back together and take out all this bullshit wiring that's a little bit excessive. Got all these things working right. So if you guys fuck with the aftermarket alarms, or you guys doing some crazy wiring, make sure you guys use some crimp connectors that are insulated so they don't short out. Because that right there, direct short, kill your battery. You guys.